In my village forest, friends, you can see the warblers in happy mood, sitting on the branches. See a beautiful bird. You see the village cows in the noon time in hot summer season in India. You know India is a hot country. You see beautiful birds are swimming in the water. They are crazy in my village sides forest. The beautiful scenery. You can see the beauties on earth. My village cows and the palm tree looks very beautiful, very beautiful. My village, a cow and a calf. See, full scenery. You see, two cows are grazing and two herons are there in my village forests. Drinking water, the morning scenery of my village. You can see a live butterfly is hanging in the thread of a spider. The spider is planning how to eat. I'll rescue two birds on the branches. A butterfly holding another butterfly. Whether it is dead or alive, I can't say. I will research about it. Cool. Cool. You can see. Yes, one monkey. You can see one monkey in front of my house. You can see beauties. The Indian yellow bird on my drumstick tree branches. Yes.